start. Hey everybody, it's Laura Bond here. I'm coming to you from my home in DeLand, Florida. So I just wanted to share, as a professional artist, this is some of the fun part of what I do. So I sold this painting here. In 2021 to a client who asked about a payment plan. And I do accept payment plans using PayPal. You just simply email me and we can set one up according to how you would like to purchase. And so then he finished his payment plans, and this painting is titled A Blustery Day. It's kind of a representation of some wilderness areas near me in DeLand, Florida. And this is a gallery wrapped painted edges with a wire on the back, all ready to hang, or you can simply frame it. And then my husband, Keith, makes these custom boxes, several layers of cardboard so it fits really tight and nice. And we add layers of paper and bubble wrap and everything to make it very secure. And then I send it out UPS or FedEx with confirmation signature needed to receive. So I just wanted to share a little bit about my process when I sell a painting. Now, if you're going to purchase all at once, you can simply go to my online art shop at lauranapicbond.com. You'll see that in the link. Thanks.